Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how we can cook the salmon fish. It's very easy and simple. First step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to preheat the pan. Here I have one. I'm going to preheat the oil. So on high heat. Here I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're going to season the fish. I'm going to use kosher salt, a little bit of kosher salt, and also I'm going to use pepper, like so, and here we go. So we're going to leave it 4 minutes on this side, and we're going to turn it to the other side for 2-3 minutes as well, and we'll check it later. Okay guys, so this is after 4-5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn the fish like so and leave it for 2-3 minutes on medium heat. Guys, so here I'm going to turn off the heat, and the fish is ready. I'm going to serve it with some fresh spinach and fresh mushroom. Do it like this. Wow, looks very yummy. And I'm going to take some and cut it. So as you can see, 4-5 minutes first side, and second side about 3 minutes. As you can see, it cooked very well and softy, it's not dry. And I hope you enjoy watching my video, and I hope you find it easy. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Enjoy. Bye.